Was challenging for me because I'm playing someone different that's going through, you know, different situations and different things in their own lives, and you know, that's what I love about making movies.
It's my first time here, and it's incredible.
I love Elvis, and I love all of his songs. You'll have to see the movie. I sing a little bit of it in the movie, so yeah, you'll have to see that. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time.
Yes, I think so.
Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit, and you ain't no friend of mine.
My cast is the best I could get. They're extraordinary. Dakota and Robin and Famo, all of them are just amazing, and I feel very lucky to have them.
Dakota is really, really talented. She's serious about her craft, and it shows.
It's an amazing place to, you know, be supported to bring my voice out into the world. It's great. We love the buzz. Maybe we'll sell it.